Hello students, welcome back. In the previous part, we solved the equation x to the power 4 is equal to x minus 4 to the power 4 and found three values of x. Now we'll explore a general approach to solve this type of equation, even if the power of both sides are different from 4. This method involves the binomial expansion. Now what is binomial expansion? So the binomial expansion or binomial theorem is a powerful tool for expanding a plus b to the power n. And it gives that a plus b to the power n is equal to summation n is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 to the power n k a to the power n minus k and b to the power k. So the sum of the power of a and b will always be n, this power. Now what is this coefficient? This is called binomial coefficient. And the value of this nk is calculated as factorial n divided by factorial k and n minus k factorial. And factorial n is nothing but n into n minus 1, n minus 2, 3 into 2 into 1. So for example, for factorial 3 would be 3 into 2 into 1. And factorial 4 would be 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay. So this means we can also write this as a plus b to the power n is equal to n0 a to the power n plus n1 a to the power n minus 1 b plus n2 a to the power n minus 2 b square and so on, and n b to the power n. So the coefficient of a and b, the sum of the power of a and b are always n. So here it's actually b to the power 0. So n minus 1 plus 1 and n minus 2 plus 2. Now let's apply this formula to our equation. So we have x to the power 4 is equal to x minus 4 to the power 4. And the binomial formula is a plus b to the power n is equal to n0 a to the power n plus n1 a to the power n minus 1b plus n2 a to the power n minus 2b square up to nn b to the power n. So we need to expand this x minus 4 is equal to 4. So let's compare this. On comparing this x minus 4 to the power 4 to a plus b to the power n, what will we get? We'll get that a is x, b is minus 4 and n is 4. Okay, so now let's write the expansion formula for x minus 4 to the power 4. So x minus 4 to the power 4 will be 40 x to the power 4 plus 41 x cube and the value of b is minus 4 plus 42 x square minus 4 square plus 4 3 x minus 4 cube plus 4 4 minus 4 to the power 4. Now we need to solve this, and for that we need to have the values of this binomial coefficient. Okay, so let's calculate this. But first, let's simplify this equation. X minus 4 to the power 4 would be x to the power 4, 40 plus, minus 4, 1 x cubed plus 16, 2 x squared minus 64, 3 x plus 256, 4. Okay, so let's write this equation. Now let's solve these binomial coefficient first. So your 40 would be factorial 4 divided by factorial 0, 4 minus 0 factorial. So this will be factorial 4 divided by factorial 0, factorial 4, and this will be 1. So factorial 0 is 1, and we are using the formula nk is equal to factorial n divided by factorial k, n minus k factorial. Now 4 1 would be factorial 4 divided by factorial 3, divided by factorial 1, 4 minus 1 factorial, and this will give you factorial 4 divided by factorial 3, and this will be 4. Similarly, the binomial coefficient 4 2 would be factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 4, and here you will get 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2, so the value would be 6. And the binomial coefficient 4 3 would be factorial 4 divided by factorial 3 into 4 minus 3 factorial, and this will be 4. And the binomial coefficient 4 4 would be factorial 4 divided by factorial 4, 4 minus 4 factorial, and this will be 1. So on substituting these values into this equation, this expansion of x minus 4 to the power 4 will get x minus 4 to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 4 minus 16 x cube plus 96 x square minus 256 x plus 256. This is what you get. Now this value will substitute in the given equation. So what is the given equation? It is x to the power 4 minus x minus 4 to the power 4. So let's substitute is equal to x minus 4 to the power 4. So from here we will get x to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 4 minus 16 x cube plus 96x square minus 256x plus 256. Now we can cancel out these two, or we can just move all this term to this side. So we'll get x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 plus 16x cube minus 96x square plus 256x minus 256 is equal to 0. So these two will cancel each other and we'll get 16x cube minus 96x square plus 256x minus 256 is equal to 0. So let's divide this whole equation with 16. We'll get x cube minus 6x square plus 16x minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we need to solve this equation and find the value of x. So obviously it's a polynomial equation of 3 degree. So we should get 3 values or roots of x, roots of this equation. Okay, sorry for this. Okay. To solve this type of cubic root equation, what we should do is we should put some values. We should give some values to x and see if they satisfied or not. For example, we should give x is equal to 0 and see if x is equal to 0 satisfies this equation or not. And we then give x is equal to 1 or minus 1 or x is equal to 2 minus 2. So we should give some simple value and see if we can find a single root of this equation. So if you will substitute x as 0, you will get 0 minus 0 plus 16. Sorry, plus 0 minus 16 is equal to 0. So obviously it does not satisfy the equation. If you substitute x as 1, you will get 1 minus 6 plus 16 minus 16. Again, this would be minus 5. So you get minus 5 is equal to 0. Again, it does not satisfy. Now, if you substitute x is equal to 2, let's see what we get. We will get 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 16 into 2 minus 16. So we'll get 8 minus 24 plus 32 minus 16 is equal to 0. So 32 and 8 would be 40 and 24 and 16 would also be 40. So 40 minus 40 is equal to 0 or 0 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 does satisfy this equation. Let's name this equation 1. Hence, this is the root of equation 1. So what we get is, we get that x is equal to 2 is root of the equation x cubed minus 6x square plus 16x minus 16 is equal to 0. So what does this mean? This means that x minus 2 divides x cubed minus 6x square plus 16x and see what we get. So let's divide this. So we will divide x cubed minus 6x square plus 16x minus 16 by x minus 2. So to divide this, we would need to find something that if you multiply it by x, we'll get x cube. So what's that? It is x square, x cube, and then we'll multiply with this minus 2. So we'll get minus 2x square. Now we will subtract this. So the sign changes and we'll get minus 4x square plus 16x. And we'll repeat the process. So if we multiply minus 4x with x, we'll get minus 4x square. So here we'll write minus 4x. So we get minus 4x square. And now we will multiply minus 2 with this minus 4x. So we'll get plus 8x. Now again subtract. So they will get 8x minus 16. Now to get 8x, we need to multiply x with plus 8. So here you get plus 8x and then minus 2 into 8 is minus 16. And on subtracting, we will get 0. This means that x cube minus 6x square plus 16x minus 16 is equal to x minus 2 into x square minus 4x plus 8x. And therefore, now this equation can also be written as x minus 2 into x square minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. So from here we get x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x square minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. So from this we'll get that x is equal to 2, and this we need to solve with the help of quadratic formula. So even though I have already solved this very equation in the part 1, we will still take a quick look how to solve this. So we will use this formula. To solve ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will use this formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if you compare our x square minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0 to this equation, you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 8. Thus, our x would be 4 plus minus b square. So this is minus 4 square, so 16. So I have already explained this very method in part 1. If you have any confusion, you can check that also. Minus 4ac. So 4 into 1 into 8 divided by 2a. So 2 into 1. And you'll get 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 32 divided by 2. So you'll get x is equal to 4 plus minus 16i divided by 2. So you'll get 4 plus minus 4i divided by 2, or 2 plus minus 2i. Hence, the root of our cubic equations are x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 iota, and 2 plus 2 iota. So this is the root of our given equation. So when it is written that solve x to the power 4 is equal to x minus 4 to the power 4, what will we get? The answer is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 minus 2 iota, and x is equal to 2 plus 2 iota. And this is not a polynomial equation of degree 4. After expansion, we get that this is a polynomial equation of degree 3. So this is our answer. With this approach, even though it may seem lengthy, but with this approach, you can solve any equation now. Even if it was x to the power 4, x minus 3 to the power 5, x to the power 6 is equal to x minus 7 to the power 6, or x minus a is equal to the power m is equal to x minus b to the power m. Anything with this method, you can solve a very general expansion problem also. So hope this clear and you understood the method to solve the equation. So it is not just about solving the question. You should also know the details of the questions and how you should not do a solution. Hope you liked the video, and in case of any doubt, please drop a comment. Drop your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer that. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.